Hi everyone, it's me. It is Saturday morning. I don't feel good. Had hiccups all night. I think that's what's causing my stomach to feel upset. Come on. Come on. No, get over here. It's cold out. Like I said, I've got hiccups. I've had it all night. I just feel like I'm gonna throw up. I don't know what is causing these hiccups. I can get them to go away for a couple of hours and they come back. They're not as bad as what they used to be when I first got them last night. Excuse me. It is cold out, everyone. Quit licking. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me, everyone. It is cold out. Ugh. The thing is I haven't really been. I don't know if it's this what I had in them, because I pretty much got over it. It's just now I got the hiccups. So I don't know what caused it. I don't know if it's too much gas in my stomach or what. But I know I've been burping too, so. Like I said, it's not as bad as what it was last night. It was really bad when it started. But, excuse me. Well, everyone, I'm going to stop right here because I am home now. And I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.